Welcome to Myrtle Beach, America's finest strand. We know you have a lot of options when it comes to your vacation dollars. We know you work hard all year, and you deserve more value for all that effort. Well, here in Myrtle Beach, with more than 2,000 bars and restaurants in the Grand Strand, Myrtle Beach boasts more dining destinations per capita than Paris or New York. Myrtle Beach is the mini golf capital of the world, with more than 50 mini golf courses right here on the Grand Strand. We've got arcades, attractions, shopping, culture, entertainment, the coolest cars on the planet, more than 60 miles of the finest beaches on God's green earth. Welcome to Myrtle Beach. So now, more than ever, we just wanted to take a moment to thank you for choosing Myrtle Beach. And we are back. Retro Myrtle Beach Guy. And there's a mystery afoot. So you continuously see this question on all of the Facebook groups. Everyone always wants to know, the heck? What are they doing with them flashlights out on the beach at night, right? The lure is crabbing. However, now that I'm down here, alright, we're walking another dog. You have a flashlight. Are you looking for something specific?
No, I'm just walking around.
Oh, all right, thank you. All right, so one dog and one just looking. But see, look, there's so many flashlights. The further you go, they just keep propagating more and more of them until you get there, and it's just like, nah, I'm just chilling. I have a flashlight. Although I guess to be perfectly fair, I have a flashlight. So it's like a mirage. You keep being like, oh, all the flashlights are just over there. But then you walk over there and there's no one there and no flashlights. Perhaps we'll have some luck here. So here we are at the darkest, most secluded point. Let's see if there's anything to actually see. So the answer, so I suppose, is I don't really know. You still see tons of flashlights. I keep following the flashlights, but when you get there, it's just someone looking at their cell phone. They were just generally using it as a flashlight, looking for shells maybe. The mystery continues. It's like one of them episodes of Monster Hunters.
Bigfoot is using that chupacabra the same way we use hunting dog.
Yep.
Yeah. Wow.
Put it on!
Hell yeah, he must be worried now.
Let's go get this.
So far, every single person has just been looking at stuff with their flashlight on their phone. Probably a testament to the fact that people have more flashlights now, more than anything. Also, while we're at it, please pick up your trash when you're here, guys.
Hi, I'm Vanna White from Wheel of Fortune, inviting you to my hometown, the Grand Strand, right here. And I have a travel vision tip for you, which is 6 letters, L-I-T-T-E-R, litter. Please don't litter while you're here on vacation. Let's keep the Grand Strand clean and beautiful.
And so the mystery persists. Or perhaps there is no mystery. Again, it may just be the proliferation of cell phone flashlights. This investigation has not concluded.
The problem now is that these people are expecting a show. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Conway Twitty.
There's a lot of ways to sin. I wanna say to you, songs and roses and promises and dreams might come true. Talk of stories, moonlight on the ground. Come right out and tell you I just love to lay you down. Lay you down. Someday whisper pretty lovebirds in your ear. Lay you down and tell you all the things the world never wants to hear. Let you know how much it means just having you around. You know, darling, I love to lay you down. There's so many ways your sweet love's make this house into a home. You got your little ways of doing things that turn me on, like standing in the kitchen and your faded cotton gown. Your hair all up in curls, I still want to lay you down.
This investigation has not concluded.
Softly whisper pretty lovebirds in your ear.
So until next time.
A whole lot of new sand showing on your face. Auburn hair is faded and silver takes its place. You'll be just as lovely, I'll still get around. If I can, you know I still love to lay you down. Lay you down, softly whisper pretty lovebirds in your.
This has been a Spineset and Eater production.
Like the Blair Witch episode of this one. Ah, what was that?